Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to play 10,000 Reasons in the key of G major. For reference, here's middle C. In the key of G major, we have 1 sharp, F sharp. We'll start off with the preview of the intro, which can also be used in the chorus. The blue font will be for the left hand and the red font will be for the right hand. On the right hand, we'll start off with B, D, we'll play G, B, E at the same time, rolling our fingers. Next, we'll play E, D, B, A, B, A, G, E, E, G, D, B, G, A. On the left hand, we'll play broken chords. For C major, we'll play C, G, C. G major, we'll play G, D, G. D major, we'll play D, A, D. For E minor 7, we'll play E, B, E. C major, G major, and we'll play D, A, A for D sus4 and D. We'll play the right hand again. So the extra note we'll play is F sharp, G, and D. Now let's try both hands together. On the right, we'll play D and G together for D sus4 and D and F sharp together for D major. Now we'll play the second part of the intro. Now we'll play G and E together, A and F sharp together, G and B together, G, A, B, A, G, G. On the left hand, we'll play C major, G major, C and then G, D and then A, E minor 7, C major, D major, and G, D, D for G sus4 and G. With both hands together, this is the preview for the verses. For C major, on the left we have C, on the right we have C, E, and G. On the left, we have G. On the right, we have D, G, and B. For D major, on the left, we have D. On the right, we have D, F sharp, A. For E minor 7, on the left, we have E. On the right, we have D, G, and B. C major, G major, D major, E minor 7, C major, G major, D major, E minor 7, C major, G major, D major, G major, G sus 4. On the left you have G, on the right we have D, G, and C, and G major. Now instead of the normal ending in which we end in the G major, we can play this. On the left you have E, and on the right we have E, A, B, and E. On the right you can play E, A, B, or E randomly while you play the broken chords on the left. You have E minor, C major, D major, E minor, C major, D major, E minor.